Are you struggling to print out all dependencies in your Gradle multi-project build? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and show you how to get that complete dependency tree. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when everything seems to work fine, but you can't see the dependencies you need. Many developers face this challenge, and it can really slow down your workflow. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked, "How can I get Gradle to print out the whole dependency tree, including all the third-party libraries for all the projects that are included?" This is a great question, and one that many of you might be wondering about. So, what's happening here? When you run the dependencies task in the master directory, it only shows the root project without any configurations. This can be confusing, especially when you know your projects have dependencies. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can help you manage your Gradle projects more effectively. To print out all dependencies in a Gradle multi-project build, the user should first ensure that they are in the root directory of the project. This is important because the command needs to be executed from the correct location. Next, the user should use the Gradle command to print the dependencies for all projects. This can be done by running the command Gradle all projects dependencies. This command will display the dependency tree for each project included in the build. If the user wants to see a more detailed view of the dependencies, they can add the tree configuration option followed by the configuration name. For example, Gradle all projects dependencies -configuration compile class path will show the compile class path dependencies. Lastly, if the user is still having issues, they should check the settings.gradle file to ensure that all projects are correctly included. The include statements should properly reference each subproject. Fun fact, Gradle was designed to handle multi-project builds efficiently, but sometimes it can feel like a puzzle. Just remember, every puzzle has a solution. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests creating a custom Gradle task called Show All. This task iterates through all projects and prints their compile and test compile dependencies. You can define it in your build script to see all dependencies at once. Here's that quick tip I promised. Regularly check your Gradle configurations and keep your build scripts organized. This will save you time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. You should now be able to print out all dependencies in your Gradle multi-project build. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights.